Hello everyone, welcome to Altcoin Mentors YouTube channel. My name is Peter. I'll be going over the daily Bitcoin updates. So we always start with the long-term trades and the trend. And so here, yesterday I told you that we had a reconfirmation of the short side. And our target now, if it breaks the EMA of 8,700, is all the way down below at 7,500. So unlike other people, we called the short on January 16. We said the long-term trend had changed to the downside. So a lot of times people use trend lines. And a few days ago, when I was showing you our long-term charts, I showed you how people were misinterpreting the trend lines. So once it bounces off of a line, so for example, let's say you have a trend line here, and it goes, right? So it goes higher and higher and higher. So they now say it's going to bounce because they said that the other trend line here bounced off of it. So then now they think that this here is a reconfirmation of the upward cycle. But for me, after 20 years of looking at charts, trend lines are not as important as people think. For us, here at Altcoin Mentors, we use a wave system, and it's pretty simple. So the waves here are right here. So you see the wave here, a little cup, a little cup, a little cup. And so people thought that this, because it had a higher wave than over here, they thought that the market was going back to the upside, going back up to like close to 20,000. But the problem was right here. So we have a new lower low. So it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, which is a good sign here, because now we have a higher low. We have a higher high. But once it creates a higher low, a lower high over here on the 16th, that is trend change confirmation. And then we see the little highs coming up, little highs coming up, and then we have reconfirmation yesterday. So we really think that the market is in a bearish market for Bitcoin, and it'll test some of the support levels and it may bounce off of them. But in the end, we think that it will go lower for the foreseeable future. So let's talk about our swing trades and our short-term trades that we had in place. So we had a swing trade on for the last few days. Our signal came in at 11,600, and we actually got kicked out this morning at our target of 9,400. That was last time on our previous swing trade a couple weeks ago. We didn't put a hard target 9,400, and we paid for it. We actually ended up losing $600 on the trailer. It kicked us out. So this time we decided to just put in a hard limit at 9,400. So 9,400, it kicked us out, even though it went a little bit lower. And so there you're like, oh man, we could have made a little bit more money. But now that's coming back up a little bit. It's above 9,400, so we made the right call. So we're gonna wait for it to come back up a little bit and then short again and try to make some more profits to the downside. So let's talk about a short-term trade. So yesterday we had gotten kicked out after a short signal at 10,900. We put in a trailer, it went all the way down to 9,800. We put in a trailer of about 400. It came up and got us at 10,200. We were really looking forward to go to 9,400. But yesterday we said that it was a little bit of a box area, that the short-term trend was neutral. And then it broke out of the little box area at 9,900. We took a short signal. It went all the way down to 8,900, and then we trailed it, and it kicked us out at 9,200. So we took another $700 profit, so not bad for one day. So we've had 3 short trades in a row in a very short-term time frame, and we've made 700 bucks on each trade. So we're not looking to go long. So even though there is a color change confirmation to the upside, what we're always looking forward to do is to wait for a reversal signal, so that we can go to the short side. So hope you've been as profitable as we have. Please follow us on YouTube, subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Have a good night.